Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add the multiple lines on your bio of your Instagram ID. By adding multiple lines on your Instagram bio, you can make your attractive profile. For this, follow my steps line by line. First of all, make sure that dictation mode is enabled in your keyboard or not. For this, go to the settings and tap on general. Then look for keyboard, and once you tap, scroll down to the bottom until you see enable dictation option, so turn on it. Now go back to your home screen and open Insta app. Then tap on your profile icon and tap on edit profile option right below to your profile picture. Then tap on bio and do same like as me. After one line, tap on return. So this is how you can add multiple lines on your Instagram bio to make it more attractive and professional. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye guys, see you all in the next video.